excited. I'm taking part in the lemon and spoon race. See? Mom gave me a nice fresh lemon. Yay!
Hey, will you give it to me after the race?
Hey Motu, you have to help us with the tug of war. Then you can have all the lemons you want.
Hey Aadi, your race is about to begin. Oh yes, let's go.
Come on everybody, we have to cheer Aadi.
Hey look! Isn't it the little loser Aadi? Hey Aadi, you should just quit now, okay? While you have the chance. I'm gonna win this. Bye losers!
My leg!
Huh? Oh no! Huh? Don't stop! Come on, run, run, run! Go, go, go! Run! Come on, don't stop! Aadi, run! Come on, get up! Grab my hand!
Sorry, Bunty. I can't stop.
That was so nice of you. You are a true champion.
Yes, Aadi. You are a real and true sportsman. Because you care about me more than the prize. I'm sorry I called you names earlier, huh?
I remember our teacher say in class that a true sportsman chooses to do the right thing. I thought helping someone was more important than winning.
I have a band-aid. Bunty, can I help you put it on your knee?
Sure, Motu. Motu, let's all go and get some ice cream to cool off, huh? It's my treat, boys.
Hey, superb idea, yaar. Hey, come on now, yaar. Hurry, yaar.
Hey, you can join us too. Huh?